All right, it's great to see you. I certainly appreciate you checking right here in on WXEdge.com. We're going to continue to update you as we get closer to the storm. And I'll be very honest with you, folks. Confidence is not as high as I'd like it to be with this storm, and it's probably the first time this winter because the model solution's coming out with such a variation. But I'm pretty confident on how we're going to see this thing play out. Let me show you the first round. I think the start time is 2 a.m. extreme southwestern Connecticut, 5 a.m. in the northeastern hills, so it will take a little time to move through. The snow collects quickly. It comes down heavy at times. It's the heavy wet variety by mid-morning. Here's the map at 7 a.m. Shoreline getting very heavy snow. And we're talking about the rates like we had last week on Wednesday. Do you remember that? 1 to 3 inches per hour. And we're going to see that from 6 a.m. through about noon. Then we're going to see a changeover to rain. Southeastern Connecticut first. That will happen around noon, maybe 11 a.m. Then it works inland. I think we'll see that changeover from Danbury to Hartford by about 3 in the afternoon. So later in the day, temps around or just above freezing, a little touch of light rain. Still snow or freezing rain northwestern Connecticut. Then it goes back over to snow for round 2. Overnight Thursday night, it's gone around 4 to 5 a.m. on Friday. So it's a very complicated storm at this point. I think the heaviest amounts will be, well, for much of the state, right through the center and western and northwestern parts of the state. Lowest amounts, southeastern Connecticut, because you will see that changeover a little bit faster. But I really think we're going to start at 6 inches before any changeover. So that will be southeastern Connecticut. Then you get into the 91 corridor from New Haven to Enfield, points west. And then northeastern Connecticut, I think we're looking at 7 to 12 inches. I really want you to check back often, though, because we may be updating the accumulation map to maybe take into account a little more in some areas and a little less if that changeover happens a little bit faster. But this will be the heavy wet snow variety. This is going to come with winds of 35 miles an hour inland for gusts, 45 to 50 miles per hour at the shoreline. Then we'll have to watch for coastal flooding just before midnight on Thursday night. So there is a lot with this storm. We've got your back right here at WXEdge.com. I'll be updating you through the day today and right through tomorrow. We'll be on at 4:30 first thing tomorrow morning. Have a good day.